Hi, my name is Magda Pear. I'm a one-eyed person and a designer. Today I would like to go with you through the free manual which is attached to the post about the landing page. If you're in a situation that you need a landing page for your marketing campaign or to gather some data about your audience and you want to do it yourself, I will go with you through the process of how to actually do it and how to get it done in like 2 days. It's really easy. Download the document which I've attached to this video, or it will be also available on my blog. And as my video will go forward, you can fill the gaps and have it all done. So let's start. Point number 1. Your landing page has a specific goal. It's supposed to contain as little of information as possible. It's not like your homepage, which is supposed to have all the information to build the trust between your company and your customer. Landing page is for those who are ready to buy or to use your service, your product. For that purpose, landing page is supposed to have one clear goal. You can pick your goal, but narrow it down. So if you want people to subscribe to your newsletter, build your landing page around that goal. If it is a selling of a couple of products, do it this way. If you want to give vouchers or engage with them, pick just one goal. Narrow it down, have it simple, keep it simple, have just one and only goal. The point number 2 on your manual is to come up with the title. Here, think about your customer and about your customer needs. What do they do? How their day looks like? What kind of a problem they have? What are you trying to solve? When you empathize with your customer, it would be much easier for you to find out what could be a meaningful title for them. Don't use something generic. Use something which will connect your product with the problem which your product solves. Think about the title. It's really crucial and important to get this little piece of content right. When you will do that, it's a time to think about the call to action. Call to action is obviously connected to the goal you've already picked. But the thing here to remember of is to have the call to action simple and to have it above the fold. Before your customer will start scrolling down your landing page, the call to action should already be there on the very first glance, should be visible, should be legible, and should be simple. So, buy, leave your details, click here, do this, do that. Not overcomplicated, simple call to action. That will work much better than having many of them, than having different ones, because that will funnel your customer through the gates you prepared for them to go and to do the actions you want them to do. So, simple and clear call to action. After that, we have a value proposition. The value proposition is connected to your goal. When you are creating the line about your value proposition, you have to realize that what your customer does when interacting with your landing page is giving you their time, the most valuable asset, and make sure that they are sure that the time is actually spent in a valuable way. So have a look on what is available on the market. Have a look at your competitors, how they go through that. But think also about your own unique value proposition. Why you want people to take some action? Why would they care? This little piece of content this little piece of text can really ring a bell in somebody's mind when they're going through your landing page, when they will read the value you offer, and they will decide to follow the actions to get what they want. The next thing, based on everything what we've done up to that point, is the photo. If you already empathize with your customer, you've picked the goal, you've picked the call to action, and you have your value proposition, you can imagine what kind of a photo will actually fit to that picture. So let's imagine that your group of audience is mothers between 25 and let's say 45. The photograph would have to appeal to their values, to their day-to-day life. It could show your product. It could show just package. It doesn't have to show the product. Think about what photograph will fit the best. It can be also graphic if you feel so. Just make sure it actually fits to the value and to the goal you've already picked. And we are almost at the end. The social proof. The social proof is important because as a social beings, human beings, we like to know that somebody else already did what we are on the way to do. That somebody else is already happy with some service, with a product. So if you have a social proof, use it. It could be a testimonial. It could be a short video testimonial. That works really well. It could be just a line saying how many people are already using your product or uses your service. Based on the social proof, a lot of people makes a decision. So don't omit that step. Try to find some social proof and use it on your landing page. When you're ready, when you have all those points, the pieces of content and the photographs, the graphics, you are ready to go through the structure and build it up. On the PDF document I've attached to this video, you can find an example of Netflix landing page. It's very simple, but it's like a mastery because the call to action is very clear. There is a line saying how many other people already uses the product. There is a value proposition which proves what kind of a value people are getting, and of course the title and the photograph on the background of it. Look at that and check which elements are above the fold. All the most important ones: the photo, the title, value proposition, and the call to action. Before your customer will scroll down to find out more, they already have all the information needed to make up their minds and actually start the actions. For those who are not yet ready to make it, you can add an additional social proof, an additional information below the fold. And then, you guessed it, ended up with another call to action. In that case, you will grasp everything what is necessary for building up the successful landing page. And how to do it now? How to put that all together? Again, in the document, I gave you links to the free sources for pictures and photographs. And a source which is a drag and drop system you can use to build your own landing page by yourself, totally for free. You can download it and get it done. But if you don't want to go this way, all the information you've already gathered is like a ready gift for your designer. So grab it all and send an email to your designer with all what you've already discovered supposed to go on your landing page. One way or the other, it shouldn't take you more than a couple of days. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know, write me an email or comment under the video. Thank you so much for your attention and all the best with your landing page. Bye!